Welcome to Pickles BBQ. Today we're going to be doing reverse seared steaks and baby octopus marinated, as well as Chinese broccoli on the Old Smokey. So it should be fun. Stick around. In the meantime, I did actually want to thank a couple of channels. So you'll see me doing this over and over again. These are people who inspired me and people who've been nice to me. So big shout out to Rob from BBQ Pit Dog. We're doing a collaboration next week on a couple of things. We'll see that soon. Big shout out to T-Roy from T-Roy Cooks. I'm sure y'all know who he is. He needs no introduction, but he's a fantastic guy and I've been watching for a long time. Another big shout out to James from Aimem and Claimem Smokers. Also a great guy. I've been watching his videos for quite some time too. Another shout out to Lyle from No Hippie Barbecue and Cooking. He lives down the way. He actually lives about a little south of Denver. I live north of Denver in a little farming community. But he lives down south. Fantastic videos, great guy as well. And then a final shout out, two shout outs to Big Lou Barbecue. In my previous videos I thanked him as well. There'll be links to all these people down below. He's a great teacher, a great cook. Highly recommend you check out his channel. And then finally, another great teacher, great cook, Chef Johnny, Texas Barbecue and Cuisine. Anyhow, hope y'all are doing well, and I'll shout out more people later. The list is long. Take care. Hey y'all, so welcome back. It's time to start the octopi. So what I'm gonna do, I'm bringing water to a boil. Stick in some lemon juice. So I got one full lemon. Squeeze that out of there. That's one full lemon. 2 bay leaves. And some garlic salt. Sriracha seasoning. Dump in a little bit of that, just for a kick. And here it's almost coming to a boil. Some smoked paprika. Now it's time to throw in the octopi. So these have been washed. They're already clean. So I'm gonna throw these in right now. And then we're gonna let this boil for about half an hour. We'll see how long it's gonna take. We want them knife tender. That's what we're looking at. It's been debeaked, washed out, gutted, it's inkless. So we'll just add the entire bag to that. And that's a good 2 pounds of octopus. So let that come up to heat.
Looking good, honey.
And let it simmer for about half an hour, maybe up to an hour. Hey y'all, welcome back. It's been about 20 minutes or so. Let's pull one of these. And as you'll see, they shrunk up quite a bit. Let me bring you on close. So you can't see that. What we're going to do here is kind of do a knife test. So we'll take it by, there's its head. I'll stick it in. That is tender, like butter. So these are ready to come off. So what we're going to do now is drain them. And then we'll stick them in this marinade. This is olive oil, lemon juice, a little bit of chili powder, some oregano, so maybe about a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of chili powder, an entire lemon, and about a quarter cup of olive oil. So we'll pop it in there and toss them around, and we'll be right back. I sped this part up. What we're doing here is taking our octopus, putting it in a grow basket. There's our steaks. They've been in the fridge for about an hour. Octopus been marinating for about an hour too. So we're gonna dump those into a basket so we can grill them. And then the steaks go in a second too. The next thing to go on is Chinese broccoli, which I love. I got salt, pepper, onion, garlic powder, cayenne mix, a little bit of butter. We'll put it on the grill in a second. All right. Coals are lit. I stuck some paper from the bag underneath. Using some old coals from previous grill plus some new ones down in the bottom there. We're about ready to grill. I'm using the Old Smokey again. This will be not a little slow, it'll be pretty quick to grill. Hey y'all, it's time to get the coals on. We got a full chimney of coals which I want to separate into hot and cold. We got our warm side and our less than warm side. We're gonna put the vegetables on. We're gonna do those first. Wrap those, keep them for later. Not enough space to do the steaks right now, but we'll do those in a second too. Bottom vents are about a quarter. Top vent, I'm keeping wide open. I might throw a couple of pecan chunks on too. Pecan. First of all, let's put on our Chinese broccoli. Stir up some of this stuff. So if you see, the Chinese broccoli is looking pretty good. So I'm going to toss this around a little bit. There's my desperate attempt at a potato spiral. Still want to do that. So we'll toss some of this stuff around. Silicone mat is not burning. Alright. Things are looking good. Hey y'all, let's take a look at where we are. Top vent's still wide open. Bottom vent's still set at a quarter. Let's take a look at what we got. Chinese broccoli is looking really good. My potato spirals, not really spirals, but still looking pretty good. So I coated those guys with butter and Cajun seasoning. Same thing with the Chinese broccoli. It's all looking pretty good. Let's give it a little shake. Silicone mat's holding up pretty well. So we got the coals on the other side. Coals are on this side. Let's keep everything over here. Pecan's coming through pretty good. And there go the dogs. They're hungry. Alright. Our Chinese broccoli is looking good. Let's pull it off. Put it aside. We'll just keep it nice and warm. Potatoes still need a bit to go. We got a little ways to go. And this little package here, I have mushrooms from H Mart as well. The Asian grocery store. We got shiitakes and another kind of mushroom that I cannot for the life of me recall. Here's our steak. The only thing I'm gonna do with it. So we got that tenderloin on the right hand side. We got 2 strips on the left hand side. The only thing I'm gonna do with this, put in some of this salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of cayenne. So I'm gonna sprinkle both sides of the steak with this. and then we'll stick it on the grill. Put the steaks on first and the octopus last, because I don't think the octopus is going to take very long. It's already been boiled, parboiled, so it just needs the smoke flavor. So we'll
Get them to about the right temperature, and then what we're trying to do here is a reverse sear. So we're reading about 118 for the strip. For the strip, what we got? The 119, 120. I'm gonna go ahead and sear those. I'll pull off the potatoes as well. I already pulled off the tenderloin, and then we'll start putting the octopus on. And that's our serve. Turf and serve. And some fudge. Switch these guys over. Give them a minute or two on each side. Then we'll let them rest. Take them up. And moving it on that side. These other two, we'll let rest back here on the cold side of the grate. Potatoes can come back too. They're looking pretty good. So we'll leave it on that side for about a minute or so. Flip it over. Do the same thing. So reads about 120, 125. Alright. You look how far. So I put our little octopus on. I threw in some of the seasoning. There's oil in there. And now we got a fire going on. These should only take a minute or two. They've already been mostly cooked anyhow. I just want to get some smoky flavor on. And then it's ready to serve up. Steaks have been tended, taken off. Chemicals are on. I think we're just about done. That's looking pretty good. Fire before we get there. Look at that. I think they're done. Let's head on inside and do the final taste test.
So the last step, what we're gonna do, we've got our octopus, and that's done. So our grilled octopus is done. I'll just throw on a little bit more olive oil. A dash of lemon. That should be good. Let's take a look at our steak. See how we came out. I'm looking for a medium rare. So we have those two steaks over there. Let's take a look at this one. Cut it right in the middle. Take one, we'll slice that out in the middle. Let's see what we got. And that's a perfect medium rare. Let's take a taste of this. That's exactly what we're looking for, is a medium rare. Delicious. Hey yo, we had the steak, now we're gonna do an octopus. So these little baby octopus turned out real nice and tender. And that marinade works super well. So we're gonna take a quick taste of this. Tender. The spices from the marinade really work on that. If you haven't done octopus so far, I'd highly recommend you do.